Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Amazon account without a phone number. So basically you have to go first of all in amazon.com, and after that you have to sign in. You have to create a new account. So just click on create a new account, and first you have to enter your name. So let's say I will enter my this name, and for email ID I will just to demonstrate I will here use a temp mail. You should use your own email address to enter or your create a new account. Okay, so I will enter the password here. Just a second and re-enter the password. Okay, and after that click on verify mail. So as you can see here that I have to solve the puzzle. So just you have to, it should look matching, and click on enter, and here I got the success and I have to enter. So the OTP is 144885. come on, 144885, 144885, and click on verify. So guys, here nowadays Amazon have started to asking the phone number, and it has become mandatory. But before, in the last 5 months, when I was demonstrating to so many people that how to create a account on Amazon without a phone number, Amazon didn't ask me a phone number, but nowadays they are asking me, and it doesn't matter how many times I try, it's always ask me a phone number. So guys, I don't think it is possible to make an account without a phone number. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.